this is Jeffrey. This is the Marina, and we're looking at the Skidaway River. Just walking along there. And way out there is Skidaway Island. Landings. It's pretty out there. It's a June 2nd night at about 8 o'clock. Let's see. Somebody's gonna relatives are building a house way on South Harbor. Looks really nice. I'm doing okay. Been 2.5 months since my mom passed. I'm doing pretty good. Hey, I got stuff on Etsy. Jeffrey Kumjan at Etsy.com. And I'm a wood turner. I do different wood turning stuff. Pens and bowls. If you want to reach me, I'm at Jeffrey_Kumjan, Kumjan.